Good day everyone, welcome to my instructional video report. Today I will discuss chapter 3 in research proposal, which is the methodology. In this video we will learn about its definition, importance. By the end of this lesson you will be able to understand and the key points that I will share. Parts of chapter 3 in research proposal, methodology. Basic outline of Chapter 3 Research Methodology. Number 1, the research design. 2, population and sampling. 3, research instrument. 4, data gathering. 5, the data analysis. And 6, ethical consideration. Number 1 of Chapter 3 Research Design. This study used a descriptive research design to determine the effects of tree cutting in school communities. The descriptive method was appropriate for this study because it aimed to describe and analyze the environmental, social, and educational impact of tree cutting based on the perception of students, teachers, and staff. This design allowed the researcher to gather data through survey and observation without manipulating any variables. Number 2 of Chapter 3, Population and Sampling. The population of the study consisted of students, teachers, and school staff from certain schools. A number of respondents were selected using simple random sampling. The respondents represented different grade levels and departments within the school. This sampling method ensured that all members of the school community had an equal chance of being selected. Number 3 of Chapter 3, Research Instrument. The main instrument used in the study was a survey questionnaire by the researcher. The questionnaire consisted of 3 parts. Number 1, the profile of the respondent. Number 2, perceived effects of tree cutting. The environment, health, and school surroundings. Number 3, suggested solution, ways to prevent or reduce negative effects. The questionnaire was validated by 3 environmental science teachers and was pilot tested among 10 students to ensure clarity and reliability before final distribution. Number 4 of Research Chapter 3, Data Gathering Procedure. Before conducting the study, the researchers sought permission from the school principal to distribute the questionnaire. Once approved, the researcher explained the purpose of the study to the participant and assured them of the confidentiality of their answers. The survey was conducted during school hours and respondents were given enough time to answer the question. After collection, all responses were organized and tabulated for analysis. Number 5 of Chapter 3, Data Analysis. The data gathered were analyzed during descriptive statistics such as frequency, percentage, and weighted mean to summarize the responses of the participant. The results were then interpreted to determine the common effects of tree cutting in the school community and to identify possible solutions recommended by respondents. Number 6 of Chapter 3, Ethical Consideration. The researcher ensured that all ethical standards were observed during the conduct of the study. Respondents participated voluntarily and were informed that their answer would be kept confidential and used solely for academic purposes. No personal identifying information was included in the final report. Summary. This chapter presented the research design, population and sampling, research instrument, data gathering, procedure, data analysis, and ethical consideration used in studying the effects of tree cutting in school communities. This method helped the researcher gather reliable information to support the findings in the next chapter. Thank you for watching my instructional video report. I hope you will learn something valuable about my topic. In Chapter 3, Research Proposal. Remember, the key point I discussed will help you apply this knowledge in the real-life situation. Once again, this is Ricardo Caminadi and appreciate your time and attention. Until next time, goodbye and stay safe. God bless.